Is the Battletron Multi-Platform Bluetooth controller worth it? Let's find out. Welcome to the Perfect Perception channel. Today we are reviewing this Battletron gaming controller, which I did an unboxing video on a couple months ago. Please check that out, boss. I have a lot of experience with this controller now, so let's start with the review. This controller is suited for your phone, computer, PlayStation 4, and Nintendo devices. Considering how cheap this controller was, I expected it to be really bad while gaming and the build quality to be horrible, but I was wrong. It feels so well structured and well made. There aren't any creaks or other sounds coming from the controller, and all the buttons feel responsive and satisfying to touch. I have no idea how the build quality is so good for the price of this product, but well done Battletron, I guess. This is way better than the original PlayStation 4 controllers for sure. The controller has 4 buttons on the back of it, which can be very useful. I don't really use additional buttons, but for some this will be a big deal. I didn't find any input delays when playing games, and I wasn't using a cable, so I was very impressed. I'm not sure why it was engineered this way, but turning the controller off is so annoying. You have to press and hold the home button for what feels like a minute before it turns off, which isn't fun. Another issue is that there seems to be a loose part inside, as there is a rattling sound coming from inside when I shake it, but maybe that's just my one. So, overall, for the price, I would recommend this controller. It saves you from buying an original controller for over double the price while having all the benefits of them. Thank you all for watching, and please like the video and subscribe to the Perfect Perception channel for more. See you on the next video. Goodbye.